Welcome back. Why do I always do stuff like this? Anyway, I don't know. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Tia and I upload 4 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. And if you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have, you're one of my little doll babies. Hi, doll baby. Hi, doll baby. Hi, doll baby. Thanks for coming back. I have another collab with the Wig Company. The Wig Company. And they were so gracious to collab with this cutie. So let's talk about her. This is from their Statements line. This is Miss Rock Me. She is in the cap average and she is in the color OM4/33A. I'll put all the deets down below as to where you can purchase her, how much, Scooby and Dooby. I have clips on how I got her together, though I didn't really do much to her at all, which is awesome. But I have clips about the cap construction and everything after this part. So this is an interesting one because this is actually my second Rock Me. I was trying to do this review last week and I got Rock Me out and I was so, loving her. And then I started to notice that there was problems with the wig. Like, it didn't seem right. It seemed damaged in some way. So I figured this has to be like a damaged one because I don't normally get any. I've never had that problem before with any wig from the Wig Company. See, she really likes a round brush. So I contacted them and, I said, listen, I can review this wig as is, but it ain't good. And we have a great relationship. So I wanted to give the benefit of doubt to the wig that it just was like defective, like things happen in manufacturing. So when I told them and showed them the pictures, they were like, oh my gosh, and they got me another one out, like lickety split. They're just so amazing to work with. And if you are wanting to buy wigs and you're worried about certain companies, like in terms of their customer service or their response, the Wig Company is amazing when it comes to that. So this one's much better. As you can see, I'm happy. I'm not in my feelings, because when I get my feelings, then it's a problem. I really love this color. I love how it's this sort of number 4 here, and then it comes into that really auburny, warm, they're calling it a 33A. It's also reminding me slightly of a 99J, and I really love that. Let's look at her from the back. Oh yeah, movement is good. Looking very realistic. I always want to look in the crown area to make sure that it looks how it looks. The wig cap is comfortable and it's their standard wig cap construction. However, this is in cap average, but I had to use a wig grip with this, and I don't normally have to in wigs that have an average cap with them. Like, I could have tightened it even more, but I'm a migraine sufferer, so I'm always a little leery of tightening it too much. So that is just something to keep in mind, that it could be a little bit bigger than the average. Not to worry, it'll still fit if you wear cap construction average. You can always get a wig grip. I have several videos on this that you can check out, how to use them, where to get them, and all of that. It has a very interesting hairline. There's lace just from here to here and then through the part. I feel like it's really lickety split. You don't have to mess with the lace too much, but you could customize it right at the hairline if you needed to. I went in with powder and then also bronzer, and I feel like it just really is masking that for me. And yeah, I'm really pleased with this wig. I'm glad I got another one and that I did realize that one was just done. It was done. I don't know why I'm saying that. Anyway, so thank you so much to the Wig Company. Thank you for not only partnering with me, but also the great customer service in terms of the wig that I had before that was defective. haven't checked them out, go ahead and check them out. All their deets are down below. Like I said, it's a great company. If there's any other wig from the Wig Company that you would like me to review, go ahead and put that down below. If you have this wig and you have thoughts, put that down below. And if you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have, thank you so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!